What's up guys, Jake here. Today we're back down at the river located in Columbus, Georgia, and today is a special day. Today I'm going scuba diving with my father for my very first time. My dad's not quite here yet, but before he gets here I actually want to tell you guys something. He doesn't know I'm telling you guys this, but I want to give you guys a little backstory about who my father is so you guys can put maybe a name to the face a little bit more. My dad spent 20 years in the military. He's retired. He actually got hurt, I think, in Afghanistan, and I think rappelling off of a helicopter. He was a bodyguard for celebrities in California for like Tom Cruise, Ozzy Osbourne, and Adam Sandler. I believe he said one of his favorites was Adam Sandler. Like, he's just as genuine as he is in person, as, you know, like on the movies, I guess, which is just amazing, man. Like, that's so cool. Adam Sandler's a great guy, and Tom Cruise is pretty badass as well, and I hear like he's just as genuine as well. Is really cool, so that's awesome. And then when we moved from California to Georgia, where I live right now, we wanted to kind of connect with the family. My two brothers actually lived here, that's why we moved here. But when we moved down here, my dad became a teacher for Shaw High School. If you guys are in this class, or maybe you're at the school and you watch this video, make sure you guys go up to him, tell him hey, and tell him that you saw the video. Other than that, I mean, like, this guy, he's a great role model, man. And today I'm just super thankful to be able to take my dad out there to the river, have a good time, and just treasure hunt together. You know, something I've never done with my dad before, and I'm just super excited to share that experience with him. So with that said, let's go ahead and introduce you guys to my father, Tim, and we're gonna get out there and start scuba diving soon. All right guys, this is my dad, Tim, and we're gonna go scuba diving for our first time. You excited, Dad?
I am. First time here in the river. So
what do you expect?
Be honest, I don't know. I know there's probably the current's gonna be a little bit swift, but I'm with you. So good day, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Hopefully I'll make it through. Of course, you did have a bad childhood, right? So get that on camera real quick in case something does really happen. Investigate.
You think you're gonna find something better than me, huh?
Well, I know you got the train dive. Again, I think I'm gonna outdo you because I'm the original.
Yeah, right.
All right. So
I think we're gonna try to make this like a weekend thing. He's gonna come out maybe every weekend to come out and scuba dive. But tomorrow's actually Monday, and he has school. Like I said, he's a school teacher. But if you guys want to see a video tomorrow, if we could break 100,000 likes on this video, I'll have my dad drop out of school for that day, and we'll come and scuba dive. My dad's like, he can't do that. But drop a thumbs up if you guys want to see that, and maybe my dad will play hooky, and we can come out here tomorrow. If this video got 100,000 likes, Dad, what's your excuse? What are you gonna tell the principal?
Feel a little cold coming. Okay, let's do it.
this and I click this button, it tells me the time. I think it's low battery though. It says 2:44 with like a little battery sign. It looks like it's been in here for a little bit because it has some river slime on it, but it couldn't have been in here for too long since it still has battery. But what's the chances, man? I can't believe I found a working iPhone to watch again. It's a lock with a key. I think someone's underwear. What do you think that means?
I don't know.
Why would they lock their underwear?
The world, right?
Oh gosh, that's too funny. I found an old cell phone. A Motorola phone, man. That's pretty cool. How can you lose a pair of shorts in the river? You know, losing my shorts in the river is like my worst nightmare. Could you imagine walking out of here butt naked? right, guys, so we just got done scuba diving. My dad and I found some incredible stuff today. I think we came across like 4 or 5 Apple Watches, a lost GoPro, and about 5 phones. But you're like my little good luck charm, dude. I gotta bring you out here.
So that means I come out next week, right?
Yeah. Or, you know, if we can get 100,000 likes, we'll bring you out tomorrow. Let me hear your cough.
Hang on. Hey, I don't feel too good today. All right.
I have no idea how in the world we get that lucky. Like, I rarely find GoPros here anymore. We found one that's been in there for a very long time. We found a handful of Apple Watches, and I think a couple of those will still actually work. And 5 just totaled phones. They're not Apple phones or anything like that, but they're just destroyed. Let me show you guys a handful of these real quick. Here's the first one. It's actually in pretty good condition. Here's the second one. It's like an old flip phone, destroyed. Here's another one that's really destroyed. It looks like it's been in there for a very long time. Here's a ZTE phone. This thing has a lot of mold on the inside. And then here's the last phone that's just completely just blown up and destroyed. If you guys look closely, there's never any SD cards or SIM cards, and these are just most likely phones people throw into the river to get rid of. I mean, this phone right here actually looks pretty good. It looks like this might be someone's phone they accidentally dropped into the river, but a lot of these just look like old burner phones. I was right next to my dad when I found this, but we found a GoPro Hero 4, and this looks like it's seriously been in there for a very long time. It looks like it's been down there for years. Maybe this piece right here was stuck to a kayak or something and it broke off, or a helmet, and it just sank to the bottom of the river. But there's no telling how long this GoPro's been down there for, and I'm super excited to crack it open, take out the SD card, put it into the computer, and we're gonna try to figure out who this belongs to so we can give it back to him. But that is just wild, man.
Can we do that after dinner?
Yeah, we probably could. So my dad and I, we're gonna take a look at the footage so we can figure out who this belongs to, and maybe we can give that back to him. But what do you think, Dad? How long do you think this has been down there for?
I'm gonna take a guess. I don't know. I don't think it looks that bad.
You don't think
a year?
A year?
Yeah,
we came across about 4 Apple Watches today. These 2 Apple Watches, I believe, are still gonna work, and I believe these are the Series 3, if I'm correct. Let me see. Oh wait, that one's a Series 2. This is a Series 1. This one right here is a Series 2, I believe, and this one right here is a Series 3, and then the other one I found was a Series 3 as well. These are the 2 that I think are still gonna work. So we're gonna go home, we'll clean them up, we'll put them on the charger, and if they charge back up, we'll try to figure out who they belong to, and hopefully we can give these watches back to the owners. This Apple Watch is completely destroyed, and this is definitely not gonna work anymore. I felt like something was missing the entire day. I looked over at you, and you didn't have a single thing of camo on, so I got you something. Guys at Hyde, the vest company, sent me a camo vest, so now you'll have your own little camo design if you want that one.
This is the tree bark, right?
There you go. All right, so if you guys want to see another video with my dad, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like on the video, and maybe we can get back out here this weekend and do another video with my dad. But if you guys want to see that, leave a comment in the comment section as well. Say Scuba Pops if you guys want to see my dad back out here. We found some incredible stuff today, Dad. I don't know if you know that. We found like 4 Apple Watches, a GoPro, a couple phones.
Well, you found most of that stuff.